Hi and welcome. My friends at Reolink asked if they could send me a new product of theirs. I've been in communication since I got that track mix a while back, which we'll see at some point. But they've got a new product and they wanted me to take a look at it. This is the Argus MagiCam. If you're familiar with one of these little guys, I won't say the name, this is the MagiCam. Notice, very similar size, dimensions. This has way more features than this does. It is not 4K, it is 2K. It is 1080p resolution, but it can work all by itself. It has onboard storage. It can work with all of their NVR, DVR, home hub devices, just like the bigger cameras. It supports 2.4G and 5 gigahertz wireless. It's got a magnet on the back. It's neat. You can customize all of the detection settings just like every other Reolink camera I've seen, just like the track mix, and it's pretty cool. Let me get you down here and we'll take a look at this thing up close and what's in the box. Okay, so you take it out of the box and here's what you get in the box. You get 2 batteries. Yes, it comes with batteries. You get this handy little articulating mount that you can screw attached to something. This is magnetic. It pops right on the back. You get a magnetic adapter plate. You get some screws and drywall anchors for the flexible base, and you get a USB cord, a fairly long USB cord. Why a USB cord? Because this has the option to run on full-time power if you so choose to plug it in, and it will record continuously just like some of the bigger cameras. It is really that full-featured. So nice waterproof back end here, and here's where you put the SD card. Tucked in up underneath the batteries. If you have one in there and you want to take it out, make sure you've got fingernails, but it's got a 64 gig card in it, and then you just pop the batteries in. Stick the back on, press, latch, and we're ready to rock. Let's go see what this thing can do. Yeah, so setting it up in the Reolink app is super easy. You just scan this code on the bottom and pops right in, set up the Wi-Fi, off you go. There's a USB port on the side, this side, under a little cover right here. It's a handy little camera. Night vision, everything. So say you want to monitor your pool. You could just like sit it right there on the step like that. And then you're monitoring your pool. How easy is that? So you want to monitor your garage door. How about that? Yeah, I know I didn't get it straight. How about that? Yeah, I know I didn't get it straight. How about the actual door to your garage? You can put it up there. Oh, by the way, that's a Reolink Elite floodlight. I'm sure it's recording me. And then you're monitoring your garage and driveway. I mean, you could if you wanted to. Put it on your car. Curious what your mail carrier is doing. You could even stick it on your front door if you wanted. Just make sure you don't have a fiberglass door, steel only, or put that little plate there, and then you could stick it on your door. Ah, it works on my patio door. There you go. Here's an idea. Stick it on your fridge. So here's my track mix. Still on the same little sled from many months ago. Works great. It's watching me right now. I just saw it move. It's captured plenty of wildlife in the yard, which is why I have it here. I'm going to fix this up, but it works. So let's just do a quick little run through of the MagiCam integration in the Reolink app. You can see I have 3 cameras here configured. I'll just tap on the MagiCam and it immediately goes into a live view of it. And here you can see it on that step, monitoring my pool. From there you can tap on talk at the bottom and talk through the camera. You can tap on playback and it will load events from its memory card. You got a little timeline through the day there, and you can scroll, through stuff. You can tap on the month and go back through, and it will allow you to pick a day and see what was recorded on that day. You can, well, you can do everything. You can watch it full screen. You can tap on this little camera icon and record a clip directly. You can tap on this speaker thing and change the volume. You can replay the clip. Yeah, it's quite full featured. I'm going to hit the X here, taking us back into the live view, and tap on the little gear icon at the top, which takes me into settings for the MagiCam. Here we can see that I've used 1.9 gig of its internal memory. I will tap on that and you can see details, firmware. You can see I have a 64 gig memory card in it. You can rename it, all this stuff. I will tap on battery there, and this is neat. It gives you all these battery usage statistics, and here we say battery type AA non-rechargeable lithium. So this is, I think, a really neat feature. You can choose alkaline rechargeable lithium, and this will set its expectations of the battery gauge, because they all have different discharge curves. And if you're a battery person, you know that that is quite significant. So this allows it to accurately estimate battery life. They claim up to a 9-month battery life with the AA non-rechargeable lithium, as I have it set here. This working mode, you can choose how you want it to see. This is like, yeah, the little black camera does not have this stuff. The smart power, optimal surveillance, custom, I have it set at custom. You can turn the motion sensor on and off, change trigger intervals, sensitivity, recording durations, and that's all on battery power. And then if you click wired power, you have a whole other set of things you can set up. So if you plug this into the USB power, you can set it to record continuous, all this stuff. So I had it set on continuous when plugged into wired power, and it will do that, which is fantastic. It's cool. We'll get out of battery. You can go into display, tell it, if it's mounted upside down, all these sorts of what you want your stream quality to be. Use up a lot of bandwidth depending on your connection type, and that's streaming to this device. That's not what it records. That's just how fast you can talk to it and what the quality is you want to view it remotely or view clips with. If you download any of those, you get full resolution. You can put the logo on the screen, day, night. Let's click on day, night. You can do, automatic color profiles. Like, yeah, it's got everything. Sounds, tell it if you want to record sounds. How loud do you want the speaker to be if you talk through it. It's got a light, you can have the light on to tell people if it's working or be a little more stealthy. Yeah, everything. Motion sensor, sensitivities. Yeah, it's got, you can hook it up to, Alexa and all that stuff. It'll do time lapses, which is cool. You could, if you have it set up in a place to capture, sunrise, sunset, that sort of stuff, you can command it to do that. It does a lot of things. It's got its own, account and password, date, time. It's quite featured. Camera, recording, this on a schedule. You can tell it, to only arm itself during certain days and times, like that. You can tell it to capture people, animals, vehicles, The same as if you're familiar with the other cameras of Reolink. It has a lot of smarts in it, and it can only, or you can tell it to only pay attention to certain things and show you those. It is not a cheap little camera. This is a beast. Anyway, so that's a quick little look at the app for the MagiCam. Hi, so that is the Reolink Argus MagiCam. I'm holding the box right now because I'm actually recording this with the camera itself. I'd like to thank Reolink for sending this out. It has been a joy to play with. It is so tiny, so capable. I cannot believe that it has all of the customizable detection modes just like the bigger cameras. It's a neat little thing. The night vision is just fantastic. It's as good as the Track Mix. I love that it has a magnet on the back, and I'm going to be replacing all the rest of my little black cameras that I showed you earlier with one of these. Thanks for watching.